everyone! Today's recipe is a sweet version of bánh bèo in Mekong Delta region with mung bean paste topping and served with a lot of coconut sauce. Bánh bèo originates from Huế, an imperial city in central regions of Vietnam. Bánh refers to food items made from flour and bèo means waterfront. The dish name is believed to derive from the fact that it is shaped like a waterfront. Bánh bèo could be served in small condiment bowls in which the cakes are steamed or nicely arranged on a plate with various toppings and served with a side bowl of dipping sauce. The traditional savory toppings include prawn flakes, pork crackling, and scallion oil. I also share the recipe for vegan version which I make with carrot, mushrooms, and mashed mung beans. Today, let's make a sweet version of bánh bèo called bánh bèo ngọt. Let's begin.
Helen's recipes.
To make the dessert cakes prettier, I use natural ingredients like butterfly pea flour for blue color. Soak about 15 dried flowers in hot water for about 15 minutes. They will release really beautiful natural colors into the water. Now in a large mixing bowl, combine rice flour, tapioca starch, sugar, a little bit of salt, and the butterfly pea water. Stir well to dissolve and let the butter rest for about half an hour. I will continue to make the other two colors for the butter. The natural green color will be extracted from pandan leaves. Also add a dash of vegetable oil to prevent sticking. For orange color, I use carrot juice. The molds used for making bánh bèo are round ceramic condiment bowls that are about 2 to 3 inches in diameter. Add water to half fill your steamer pot and arrange the empty molds into the steamer basket. Bring the water to a boil and then cover and steam for 2 minutes until the bowls are hot. Then uncover and pour the butter into each bowl. Wrap the steamer lid with a large kitchen towel by tying the corners of the fabric over the handle. The towel will absorb the excess evaporated water and prevent it from dropping back down into the cakes. Steam the cakes until they are firm to the touch, about 3 to 5 minutes, and have formed a shallow hollow in the center. Combine 1 cup of peeled split mung beans and 1 cup of water. You can also use a rice cooker to cook until the beans are soft. Then add sugar and puree with a hand mixer or a food processor. To make coconut sauce in a saucepan, combine coconut milk, sugar and salt and bring to a boil. Mix cornstarch or tapioca starch with some water and stirring to thicken the sauce. Bánh bèo could be served in small condiment bowls in which they are steamed or nicely arranged on a plate with various toppings. In this sweet version, I top the cake with some mashed mung beans, crushed roasted peanuts, and the coconut sauce. To unmold the cakes, you can run a tip of the paring knife along the edges to loosen the cake from the mold and then lift it up and arrange nicely on a plate. Such a simple yet elegant, inexpensive yet delicious dish that can be eaten throughout the day. When arranged nicely on a plate, the alternating colors make the dish look really a treat to the eyes. The rice cakes are tender and slightly chewy. The mung beans is nutty and melts in your mouth, combining with the richness of the coconut milk and crunchiness of roasted peanuts. It's really a beautiful dessert to add to your menu. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out. Send me a photo if you do on Instagram with the hashtag Helen Recipes. Thank you so much and I will see you then next time. Bye!